If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do. So the first thing that you can do is try to find the MI Mover app, which should be pre-installed on your phone. This is an app that can be used in order to transfer data. Over here, we need to tap on agree in case you are requested to do so. And before we actually move on our Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, on the older device, the previous phone, you will need to get the same app. So if you have Xiaomi or Redmi or Poco, then you already have this app, most likely. If you have any other Android or if you have iOS, like iPhone, then in that case, you will have to install the app. So we can, for example, open the Play Store or the App Store, and you can search for the MI Mover. There we go. And you should be able to find the MI Mover app. So once you have it, you want to open it. Now on our older device, we want to select that this is the older phone. On Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, we want to choose that this is our new phone. Over here, we want to choose what is our previous device. So if you have Xiaomi, Redmi, or Poco, once again, you want to choose Xiaomi. If you have any other Android, you want to, of course, choose Android. And for iPhones, you want to choose Apple. In my case, I'm going to choose Android. We need to grant all these permissions. And in this case, we have a QR code that allows us to install the MI Mover app on our older phone. But we are actually ahead. We already did that, so we can just tap on installed. Now over here, our phone has created a hotspot, and we will try to connect our both devices together with that hotspot. If it doesn't appear, if nothing appears on your older device, then you might want to go back and tap on the old button again, and then you might be able to find it. So just tap over here and see if your both devices can connect. Now, in case the connection doesn't work for some reason, you can use this option, connect to the new device manually. It should be actually to the old one, but still. So this is how it works. We have created the hotspot with the password here, and we can use the same button at the bottom of our phone. Now you should be redirected to the Wi-Fi settings, and you want to connect to the hotspot. There we go. Let's enter the password. So this is only, of course, in cases where you cannot automatically connect wirelessly. So if the phone requires you to actually do so to manually connect, then this is how it works. After that, once we have the connection, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. You can transfer pretty much everything. In the case of apps, for example, you can choose which apps should be transferred. So in my case, I'm actually going to uncheck everything, but in your case, you probably want to transfer everything, so you can do so, of course. And then go ahead and tap on next. You want to check these two options and confirm by pressing send. And there we go. Now we are transferring our selected files. Of course, the time required to transfer all data depends on the amount of data that you have to transfer. But once it is done, we can just tap on done on our older phone and done on our Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.